Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product from XIFEI. This is a cedar wood desktop cigar case with a digital hygrometer, humidifier, divider, and accessory drawers and combination lock. And it has a glass top, so let me show you real quick. Very nice font, Cigar Humidor with the Indian chief design, and there's a digital hygrometer. Wow. And it comes with a lock. So pull to the side, and currently the combination is 000, but you can change it. It comes with a humidifier, a water spout for the humidifier. This is a divider and the user manual. This holds about 20 to 30 cigars. Capacity depends on the cigar size. You can place it in different directions depending on the length of the cigars. You can always divide it up like this and put your favorite cigars. So there are a variety of different cigar sizes. So imagine you want to keep your important cigar on this side and maybe cheaper cigars on this side or vice versa. Humidifier, open that up, open this, put it in here, then get some distilled water and put it in here. So it keeps the moisture in here. This is a digital hygrometer. Hold the power button to turn it on. So currently it's 58% and that's the temperature 26.3 Celsius. If your country uses Fahrenheit, double click to turn to Fahrenheit. Right now 79.5 Fahrenheit and 57%. I like to keep the cigar from 68% to 72%. Weight of this is 2.98 pounds. You know, it's sturdy, so it's not gonna move around too much. The dimension is 9.1 inch by 7.1 inch, and the height is 4.3 inches. This comes with a drawer. Your accessories in here: lighter, matches, cigar cutter, V cutter, straight cut, cigar lighters. Inside is 7.8 inches and 5.8 inches. There's a magnet in there. Look, so it just snaps in, and you have to put some force to open that up. Very nice. So you can lock it up so nobody steals it. Put your combo, and then when it's ready, you can open it up. It has a visible glass top, nice pattern design, digital hygrometer, combination lock here that comes with an accessory drawer, removable divider, and gel humidifier. And again, it smells really good inside. It's made with natural cedar wood. Okay, so while pushing it down, I'm gonna change the combo to 222. Okay, and then that's it. I'm gonna lock it up. Now it's 222. So 222, then it opens up. So check this product out. This is a beautiful cigar humidor from XIFEI, one of my favorite cigar brand on Amazon. So thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.